Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and today I'll show you how to automate AutoCAD using ChatGPT, basically by generating custom LISP routines, even if you don't know how to code. Let's discuss something about AutoCAD LISP. AutoCAD LISP is a scripting language used in AutoCAD to automate repetitive tasks like drawing objects, modifying layers, setting properties, etc. In my company, I used to create tube sections. Let's say 50 by 50 tube, 100 by 200 tube, 60 by 70 tube with different thicknesses. So I will make a program using ChatGPT to automate this task. And I don't need to create these tubes again and again. I will make a parametric program and I can use this program while working on my projects. So let's go to ChatGPT, and here you can write a prompt like this. Make a AutoCAD LISP program of let's say tube sections with width, height and thickness as input, and it will give you a LISP program. Copy this LISP program in AutoCAD. At first, it will give you some errors. Then copy those errors in ChatGPT again, and then it will give you a better version of that code. And at last, you will find the refined code of your LISP program, and you can use this program in your projects. So here is my program, and I will copy this program. Copy. I will go to here Notepad. And I will paste this program. Go to here File, Save, and I will name this file as Tube Sections, and make sure to change the file extension to .lsp. LSP means the LISP program, and I will select Save. Now you can see I have created multiple programs in my folder AutoCAD LISP programs, and select Save. Close this, and now I will launch the AutoCAD. I'm using AutoCAD 2018, but let's say if you're using below versions of AutoCAD or future versions of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. Now I'll go to here, select New. I will select this template ACAD, select Open. First of all, I will put off the grids. Okay. And you can see I'm using drafting and annotation workspace. Okay. Now, first of all, I have to upload this program. I have to upload the tube section program. So I will write APP, press enter key. And here is the program, tube section. Select load, and I will select always load. And here you can see tube section.lsp successfully loaded. You can see in the command line as well. Select close. First of all, I will click here UCS icon setting, and I will select this option, show UCS icon at origin. So basically it will move from here to here. Now I will write my program name, which was tube section. It is asking tube width. So let's say tube width is 100. Now it is asking enter tube height. So let's say tube height is 200 and the tube thickness is 10 mm. Press enter key. It is asking specify insertion point. So let's say insertion point is somewhere here, and here you can see the tube. Let's go to measure, and let's say I want to check this distance. You can see it is 100 and it must be 200. Also, this thickness is 10. Now I'll go to command line again, tube section. This time I will make a tube 50 by 50, which is very common, with thickness is 2.5. You can check this tube. It is 50. It is also 50. and this thickness is 2.5. Let's make one more time to basically validate this program. Let's say this time 175 by 210. It is not the standard tube, and let's say the thickness is 7.4. Let's check the dimensions. 175. Press enter key to repeat the command, and this distance is 210, and the thickness must be, I think, 7.4. Yes. Also, I can check thickness from here as well. Okay. So that concludes this exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.